Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm still at the house, just somewhere. I set out the trap. Today is like trapping and keeping a small bird. I think in English its name is a finch or something like that. Please don't laugh. Oh, you guys can laugh. I'm not gonna set this trap. And so I have a cage outside. We're gonna build it if we catch one. Or like ready it up, so this video can either fail or either get success. So there's my lifeline and this trap. Camera, if you can focus. There it is. My boy saying hi to me. Okay, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Okay guys, we got one. That one entered the trap. My camera focused. If one goes in, I'm pulling. My word, now my camera's not gonna focus. Oh, I hate this. Oh my word, camera focus. I must look actually outside. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I get sometimes nerve wrack. They literally took the bread out of my trap decker. Oh, there's four. I like that one in the middle. Oh wait, there a moment comes. Does a moment come? Does a opportunity come? Is an opportunity gonna come? It's the real question. Just hop inside. One more. One. I got him. Guys. I got him. He is. It's okay, little buddy. Let's pull the wire out and get this one in the. Oh, I want to see it. Probably I want to grab this line because it must be taken with. So I'm just gonna drop this. You guys are gonna see my POV because I don't want to stress the bird out. So it's actually picking me. So ow. It's not the nicest. So quickly get the cage up, set and ready. Or not ready, but you know, just see if he climbs out, then we have a problem. But this is the cage. So first I think it's gonna climb under here. So first nothing's gonna happen to him. Oh yes, the front part. So his cage will be upgraded. Just want him to calm down and just calm down. And maybe we can see if we can catch his friends. Oh my word, that's... I will add in water and all the supplies, guys. And remember, I own a bird, so I know how to take care of a bird. So, and we have a lot of these in our year. I like to catch a nicer one, maybe. So let me open the door, put this little guy inside. Let me just close that gate, get the string because it's all over the place. So I'm just gonna open the door and just gonna have a little bit of space, put him inside, release him. So yeah, I'm gonna put the cage here. So I'm just gonna put you guys on the cage. Okay, let me quickly grab you guys, flip you guys around. So all my, I'm gonna have my word Wait, we have to put this inside. Just give it a second. Drop that open. Sorry guys, my dog thinking he's a big horse, but rather it's not. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lock that, and I will show you guys the overview. Go. Go. Let's see if it gets out. Oh, it gets out. Okay, it got out. Damn. So yeah. Okay guys, the bird got out, not harmed, nothing. Flew away nicely. He's okay. So let's try for another one, maybe a more beautiful one. But now you guys saw, while I'm waiting on them, straight up just gonna try to find another enclosure. It's not that big, or the holes are not that big to place. So drop that inside, but we caught one, so that's all what matters. So yeah, quickly gonna drop everything, and yeah. Okay guys, it's day 2 and it's early in the morning, so we already have 2 birds. My camera focuses. That one just seeing me. Camera does not want to focus, but with this I'm actually grinding on Unschool of the Wild for pheasants. So if you know what that means, then yeah. So I'm trapping birds and I'm shooting birds on the game. And here's my other bird. So yeah, there comes a nice male. I'm not gonna show you guys until they come closer, so let me move away, so I'll update you guys. Okay guys, it's in the evening, we're finally getting some action, and there is the bird. So yeah. Okay guys, there's more. There's pigeons and everything. Just wanna duck down. Oh, doves, sorry, not pigeons. See if it will enter. Oh, she's very skittish. You can see she's very skittish. See, hops away. I hope she hops back. Here's another one. Just there, flown away. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay guys, so as you saw, there was a little bit of a mess up, but we caught one. And it's not the best camera quality, but yeah, let me show you guys. So I have this over for stress induced. Here it is. I'm gonna try to take it out and release it by hand. So yeah, so I think it's actually special for me catching this type of animals, and yeah. So quickly gonna grab it with this. So yeah, here we go, we have our little bird. So yeah, here's that. Just quickly putting up a thumbnail. So yeah, quickly gonna get a thumbnail and release this one. Let's release this one. There it goes. Okay, let's try to catch one more, and yeah, or else we will just end the video. Yeah. Okay guys, day 3 now. And there is one. Let's see. My camera focuses. Right behind my trap. Or right in front. So for today, nothing really happened, and yeah, this is the first action I've seen today. So yeah, and it's in the evening. They can eat in the evening, so let's see. Sorry if sorry guys, my hands are not that steady. Try to get you guys. I'll update you guys when it's very close or it's literally got caught. So yeah. Okay, but guys, I've been struggling for 2 weeks now trying to catch another one. They just don't want to come in. So that will be it for the video. See you guys on the next one. Peace.